Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accountant. 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 Accountant is a noun that refers to a professional who specializes in financial record keeping, analysis, and reporting. Accountants are responsible for managing financial data, preparing statements, and ensuring compliance with financial regulations. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The accountant is responsible for balancing the company's books and preparing financial statements. Why accountant is used in example number 1. Accountant denotes an individual who performs critical financial functions, such as bookkeeping and financial statement preparation. Example number 2. Compliance with financial regulations is a top priority for the accountant in the banking sector. Why accountant is used in example number 2. Accountant refers to a professional working in the banking sector who is responsible for ensuring that the institution adheres to financial regulations. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.